I don't know what happened. Stream disconnected. Please see disclaimer and description of this content. Morning Cup of Trades is not responsible for trades or investments made by viewers. Trading and investing can have substantial financial risk, and it is advised to seek advice from a qualified broker or financial advisor before trading or investing. This stream is for entertainment purposes. Entertainment purposes, guys. Yeah, I guess stream disconnected. That's my bad. I don't exactly know what happened. I'm gonna have to reset some stuff today. Should not be dropping like this. That is weak. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yo, Pawan, I don't know. My network dropped and we lost the stream. But yeah, that's a bummer, man, because we popped up so good. We had such a winning trade on that. Oh well.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hey, we took a loss, dude. Apples. Apples, apples. What up, Vlad? Yeah. Be members only mode here soon again, I'm sure. Mr. Crowley. We've taken 2 losses today, guys. 2 losses for between 10 and 20 bucks. The rest have been bangers, man. We're doing good. It's been a good session. I expect that we can tag 650 in profit. Looking for 350 more. And then we'll end this puppy. Good drop. Lots of volatility too. Yeah, I don't know what it is, Vlad. I wouldn't say I necessarily have like issues with taking losses 100% of the time. There's just like a small set of days to where I fall into this mode to where I just can't accept it. And those are the days that I usually blow up. For whatever reason, I don't know what triggers inside of me to not accept the losses. Just greed. It comes in waves. I can be disciplined for 30 days and then completely lose my shit for like a week. Yeah, exactly. It sucks, man. Is what it is, though.
Order filled. Order filled.
Apples.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alrighty, that was another $50 profit, dude. We are grinding, boy. We are grinding back and forth, capturing the back and forth activity, playing reversions and playing them very well, I must say. Started the day off 140 in profit from some overnight trading, and we have just continuously scalped and grinded our way up almost to 400. Goal is 650 today. See if we're able to make it. I'm pretty confident we do. We are absolutely crushing. Man, you would think that I would be faking trades, guys, with how accurate we've been today, but that is just simply the imbalance. The imbalance doesn't lie, man. Great tool for reversions, really is. Yeah, I think so, Polan. We are crushing right now. Absolutely crushing. I mean, at this rate, man, this is a lot of points to be taking back and forth, back and forth. On one micro, $50 is pretty much like what we're achieving here. That's no joke, man. 50 bucks? 50 bucks on one micro? There's little to no risk on that. It's not much. It's really not too bad. We're literally scalping like 10 points a pop. Platform's Ninja Trader, man. Nightbot just posted a link to it. Go sign up. Sign up to Ninja Trader, one of the best platforms in the game for futures trading. When you sign up with my link, you get 2 weeks of real-time data as well. Definitely worth signing up. 2 weeks of real-time data for free, including level 2. Does not cost you anything or anyone anything to sign up for Ninja Trader. This is a custom-coded indicator inside of Ninja Trader that I have placed into the Ninja script and compiled. Anyone can have access to this. It's not public, but it is open. It's to the public. It's in the Discord, posted many times over. Anyone can use the liquidity imbalance. This is a very basic metric of the supply and demand from the order book from level 2. Anyone can use this. There's nothing special about this. This is very simple. Couldn't quite get our exit. We were almost there. Let's see if we can get it here. Oh. Oh, nope, not yet. Close for a re-add. Ooh, it's going to be our first real re-add potentially. Market's kind of dumping here. Let's see what we can do. I love this approach, dude. Oh, I just gotta stay disciplined, stick to it, and I get paid. I want it to actually fall and tag me in. That would be sweet. I'd love to get a further extension. Damn. Well, okay. This has been one of the more squirrely trades we've had all day. Still pretty confident we're either going to win this trade or we're going to lose with a pretty small marginal loss. Just a marginal loss. Nothing too crazy. Feeling pretty good. Let's get to 63, man. I'd love to add to this. We tagged 63 just off from 63 earlier. We would have been wildly in profit off of that. Just trying to capitalize on the extension. Come on, dude. So close. I just force it.
Order filled.
All
Order
right.
filled.
We're in with 2 more contracts. That was a pretty significant re-add with the old DCA method, bringing our cost basis down drastically. Just capitalizing on the setups, guys. Capitalizing on the overextensions. I'm not intentionally trying to add to losing trades. That is not my goal. I'm just trying to add to good entries. And for me, that is my setup. That is the reversion. Let's go. Pretty much bottom ticked that reversion. That was perfect. See if it actually lasts. Dude. Got like an ant in my shirt. Ripping me up. What is this now? 60. 63. I don't think we're going to have the opportunity to add any more contracts to this. I think we're going to blow up right here. Damn, man. Totally got bit by an ant. Anyone else have problems with ants at their house? Jesus. My bad, guys. I just smacked the hell out of the mic. All right, we're almost there. I don't know if we're going to take much in profit. But we're going to take something. Come on. Come on up, the water's fine. Dude, I straight up got bit by an ant. Like, it burns. Got a damn fire ant on me. Oh, guys, we're dropping. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. Where's the second re-add? 62. Damn, dude, we're dropping pretty good. This one lasts too long. If we keep on dropping, we will probably have to settle with a loss when we come back up, but I don't know. We'll see. The indicator is just a custom-made indicator using Ninja Script. All it's doing is pulling the level 2 data, the liquidity imbalance from the order book. And I personally have just built a approach around playing reversions at the top and the bottom. That's it. Longs at the bottoms, shorts at the tops. If I'm long at the bottom, I exit at the top. If I'm short at the top, I exit at the bottom. This one's definitely hurting a lot more. Yeah, it's a good chunk right there. Pretty good chunk. I still think we're gonna win though. Damn it. Totally needed that re-add. That would have been nice. Do it.
Order filled.
Forcing it.
Order filled.
We're right at it. 43. Oops. Five contracts, guys. That's a deep one. 5 minutes, that liquidity imbalance top, rolling top is going to adjust. And we should be able to get out. But I think we're going to get there before then. Probably in this one in the green, to be honest. Looking poised for a decent swing in the momentum. Like I said before, I'm pretty confident we win this trade. These re-adds have felt pretty good. Re-adds have been extremely spaced apart. Just to put that into perspective, the initial buy was at 83. So 24 points have been averaged down from our entry. 24 points. It's crazy. It's a lot. Could get dangerous though. Keep on slipping. At the end of the day, the risk is what it costs to take this eval, which is $60. So rolling top's coming down. Probably going to be able to hit this rolling top. Part of the adjustments here in the tops and bottoms of the liquidity imbalance is me adapting to the conditions. So unfortunately, it looks like we're just going to have to probably take a loss here. We'll see. See what happens when we actually get the cross. Got to be okay with accepting the loss. Not accepting the loss and diverting from the approach is what kills me. Here we go. Gotta wait for the adjustment.
Order filled. Order filled.
So that sucks. We did take a loss there. We definitely did take a loss. That's okay, man. Gotta accept it and move on. Do you only trade longs? No. We're in short right now. That was a juicy loss right there. That's all right, boys. We'll get there. I'm getting $6.50 in profit today. If you don't believe me, I don't care, because we're getting there. With somebody to love you. Don't you want to dance? 750. That was a pretty decent run, though. Pretty fun run. Just couldn't quite make it happen. Might have actually moved into a little bit of profit if we waited. What is that? 55. We went up to like 63. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we would have been in profit actually, but I gotta take it, man. I gotta take it at the dude, I totally got bit by a damn ant. That's crazy. $97? Yeah, it's not bad, dude. Accept the losses. We can recoup for sure. We're gonna be A-okay, boys. We're getting it today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna pass this bad boy. This is our second day in the eval. We're up 509 in profit. One thing's for sure, man. We are very capable of getting in profit. I just have not been capable of holding my accounts, holding the funded accounts. Keep screwing up. I'm gonna make it happen though. I need everyone not to worry so much. There's so many people that worry in the comment section. It's like the audience can't accept the losses. It's like I'm accepting the loss better than people watching are. You guys aren't even the ones trading. We gotta relax, man. It drives people crazy, like trying to justify me losing. It's like, just accept it, man. Just accept the fact that you lose in trading. Yeah, there you go, Vlad. Ooh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Apples. Back to over 3, baby. Even after taking a fat, juicy loss. Yep. Good stuff. I gotta reinforce those habits. I gotta recognize the fact that sitting in that loss is the most dumb thing I could do. I need to keep reinforcing this. Don't you want to dance? Do you want to dance? With somebody to love you. God dang good. Bog, we're playing reversions, man. Selling momentum eventually results in a reversion back the other way. The same way that buying momentum results in a reversion back the other way. Just because we have buying momentum doesn't mean we're going to just go straight up with one straight up candle, one straight up price movement. When the price moves up, well, at some point it comes down. When the price moves down, at some point it comes up. The market is jagged. It is back and forth all day long. There's reversions continuously. The market does not go straight up and it doesn't go straight down. So I am a reversion scalper. That's what I would identify as in the trading space. Yeah, I'd like to think that it even works pretty well with trends too, though, Vlad. There's going to be a losing side, but because I'm trading a smaller time frame, if I'm in a losing trade like we saw earlier when we were downtrending, eventually it's going to squeeze me out, and I just have to accept what we get. I need to get a video going on this approach. Pretty much share the entire code of the indicator too for anyone who cares to want to trade imbalance reversions or imbalance in general. You don't have to play reversions. You can play this however you want. No one ever says that you have to play anything in particular or any particular way. If you're someone who wants to play the breaks of the tops of the imbalance and continue, then you could totally do that. I don't know, Bog. It just, the most important part about what I'm doing here is I'm not trading based on speculation necessarily. I mean, there's always going to be a little speculation in trading, but I'm trading with a leading indicator. I'm trading with actual data. There's a reason why I enter and exit. It's not my brain that's justifying, I think it's going to do this, or anything like that. It's all built on what's really happening in the order book. Equal velocity and size right after a large move. I don't really know what that even means. The velocity and size of the trades are always different. Some trades I might take $5. Some trades I might lose $5. Might take $500. I might lose $500. I don't know. Yeah, the order's to buy too. I'm gonna try and get a little more aggressive. Playing a little bit more size. Actually, I'm gonna do some math. I'm curious. Can't expect same size, same duration will go the other way. I don't expect anything though, Bog. I'm not expecting anything to happen. I have no expectations. I'm just trading the bottoms and the tops of the liquidity imbalance. The more expectations I have, the more speculation is involved, and that's just not what I'm doing. It's pretty simple. I'm in for longs at the bottom and in for shorts at the top. If I'm in at the top, I'm out at the bottom. If I'm in at the bottom, I'm out at the top. We're looking at a 5-minute interval, so these reversions are happening pretty quickly. We don't have to stay in the trades for too long. I think the average holding period right now is only like 3 minutes. Oscillator name? There's no oscillator. This is just a custom coded indicator in NinjaScript. It's literally just pulling the imbalance. This is the imbalance data. The liquidity imbalance derived from the level 2 order book. It's not a public indicator. It's just plotting the imbalance on a line chart and showing you the tops and bottoms on the interval selected, which is a 5-minute time frame. This is a open sourced, open to the public indicator that I've posted multiple times, as well as other people in the community in the Discord. At some point I'll have an approach video and just post the code in there. People can have it for free. I don't care. It's kind of up to the individual and how they want to trade this data. Win with the data, lose with the data. I'm not trying to sell anything to anybody.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, cool. I was like, why the hell? What just happened? Re-entered right at the bottom too. That's perfect. It would be 510. But it takes 3 contracts. Okay. Is there even a difference here? $27.07. Is this not a bottom? Yeah, this is a bottom. Most definitely a bottom. I already added 2 contracts though. I can't add too much too quick. That's just too much overexposure. I'll add additional contracts as we continue to extend, if we continue to extend. I already bought. I can't just keep buying every single break. That'd just be kind of foolish. Can't time the bottom exactly. Almost to exit, almost there. If we come down 20 more points, I'll make an entry. I'm trying to be very frugal with my re-entries on the re-adds. I don't want to size in with too much too quick. We don't have enough drawdown to do that. Yeah, we have been trending down. We've been trending down almost the whole day. Like literally, we've been trending down almost since the stream started. I think we've almost lost 100 points, actually. So this is actually a pretty good day to run with the trending activity. Yeah, dude, we were trading at 7,400. We've almost shed off like 100 points. It's definitely more of a downtrending day. This is not consolidation. Therefore, you buy. Yeah, exactly. Buy at the bottoms, sell at the tops. But I can't just keep buying every single bottom. I'd have like 100 contracts accumulated. I have to be careful with it. And if I get to the top and I'm out of the money, so be it, man. It's just how it goes. I can't win every single one of them. We're getting there. Waiting for a break. Buy at the bottom, sell at the lower bottoms. No, that's, I mean, you could do that. That's not my approach. I'm trading reversions. I'm not trading continuation. That's a continuation sort of approach. Yeah,
Order
I need
filled.
to flip this.
Order
We
filled.
tagged through the top. Taking the L. That's okay. It's going to be a little bit of back and forth. 28. Damn. 246. That would have been nice to stay in on. But you can't tell the future, guys. I don't know, man. We're only trading the 5 minutes, so there's going to be all kinds of back and forth. What is it, 10:20? After we got out of the volatile period, we've kind of been drawn back down. This is 23.75. It's gonna be okay, guys. Just let me lose. It's gonna be okay. Bog, all you gotta understand is I'm long at the bottom, I'm short at the top. I'm playing reversions, so whenever you look at the liquidity imbalance, you have to look at it from a way of using it as supply and demand. When we extend through the tops and extend through the bottoms, we're creating areas of reversion because that's where the market has reverted before, from those areas of liquidity imbalance. When I say before, I mean like in a leading aspect of, not like hours ago, like it just happened. The top and the bottom is a rolling top and bottom. It's adjusting every 5 minutes. I've gone to 5 minutes instead of 30 minutes just for the sake of scalping. And as we extend more through the tops, I'm just increasing my orders, not because I want to add to a losing trade. It doesn't always have to be a losing trade. I'm just adding because it's just a further extension.
Order filled. Order filled.
Speculating when you're at the top and the bottom. Yeah, I mean, there's, like I said before, there's always speculation to some degree. But I'm trading the top and the bottom. I'm not trading what is unknown. Like, we are at that area. I'm trading that area. Reversions are very likely. Extensions are unknown. Or I'll say more unknown. That's just what you got to gather with analyzing the data. That's it. No, I did say that everything in trading has some form of speculation. I don't want to speculate to the degree of a complete unknown idea. I'd rather enter with actual data, with actual metrics, rather than I think it's going to keep extending to this crazy level. Yeah, I'll have a take profit of 50 points for some reason. I don't know. There's always going to be a little speculation. I just don't want to have too much of it. Because then we're just guessing. I mean, if there wasn't any speculation, then we would just know the future. We could tell the future. It's always got to be a little bit. This is a extremely basic concept, though. If you don't understand it, then I don't know. I don't know what to say. You shouldn't have to explain the concept that many times. There's a liquidity imbalance. That's plotting the top and the bottom of the liquidity imbalance on a plot, on a line chart. Top and bottom, it's rolling. Every 5 minutes, it adjusts. I get in at the top for a short. I get in at the bottom for a long. When we reach the other side of the range, I exit. Go back the other way. Longs at the bottoms, shorts at the tops. Exit at the bottom on shorts. Exit at the top on the longs. If that results in a losing day, so be it. Nothing always wins. But what I've found in this data, whether it be 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 5 hour, 2 days, 1 day, 30 days, it doesn't really matter what the time frame is. The imbalance data is very respected because it's a form of supply and demand. And when you can read where the market reacts at these overextended areas of supply and demand, then you generally have found yourself in a pretty good entry. That's what I've gathered. That's what I've analyzed over my thousands of hours of looking at this every single day for 8 hours for 8 months. But if you want to interpret the data a different way, that's totally up to you. Because at the end of the day, I'm not telling anybody that they need to do it this way. I actually don't tell anybody that they need to trade any particular way. I strongly believe that if someone tried to replicate exactly what I'm doing, their results will be wildly different. Might be better, might be worse. There's no holy grail in trading. If you copy other people, you'll probably lose. All this is, guys, is a shared journey of winning and losing, inconsistency to consistency. At the end of the day, I actually don't even need to explain the approach. You can interpret imbalance data a million different ways. I wouldn't condone anyone even copy this. Might be consistent for me to some degree, but might not be for someone else. All right, we're finally exiting. Nope. I don't need to stream either. I do need to stream, for sure. I need to show the community what transparent trading looks like. And I also need to generate video logs on my own trading for myself to look back on.
Order filled.
All right.
Order
We're
filled.
out. And we're back in the other way. We're long. Apples. You don't have to understand it, Bog, because you're not the one trading it. If you wanted to copy trade me, I'd see why you would want to understand it. But if what I'm doing doesn't make sense to you, that just means that it doesn't align with how you perceive the market or the price action. That's fine. It doesn't need to align. If you want to watch for entertainment purposes and hang out, then great, man. But if you don't understand what I'm doing, that's okay. I don't know what your intention is of watching the live stream. If it is to copy trade, then you're in the wrong place. I've been inconsistent for 3 years. I would never condone anyone try to copy me. Even when I find consistency, which this has been wildly for me, I still wouldn't condone anyone follow it. I just want to show what it looks like to suck at trading and then be good at it and then be inconsistent at it and then be consistent at it and eventually find that consistency. It's a shared journey. And little do you guys know, YouTube is a massive cloud storage. If I was to store all of these live streams offline, it would take thousands of terabytes of data. I'm able to store all of this data on YouTube's platform at no cost. That is one beautiful thing of recording yourself and posting it. It's kind of a double whammy, though. I get to show people what trading really looks like outside of the space of the trading gurus feeding you and spoon feeding you a bunch of profit biased videos that are probably fake trades anyway, selling you bullshit courses that aren't going to teach you anything. Probably just going to make you worse at trading, to be honest. Kind of get to show how it really is, and at the same time, I get to journal everything in video log form for free. Yeah, seriously, people completely misunderstand the power of video logs in their trading. And posting it on YouTube is a pretty good trade video log. You also get, I don't know, some input from people, whether it be good or bad. Most of it's bad, but it's been cool to grow a community in the trade space and see other people grow in this community. And I don't know, there's been some nice advice on a lot of things. Not that I've listened to all of it, but there's been quite a few things that have been pretty intelligent. Some things gained from the community. There's a lot of benefits to doing this live. Not just for me, for other people. Alright, what are we at? 35. 15. Looks like we're gonna continue extending. That's crazy, man. Market's moving a lot of points very quickly. We are trading a very volatile day today, without a doubt. Did I say the keyword earlier? I think I did. I must say the APPLES word. Editing this many trades is a damn nightmare. And that's the only way I can edit this is with video transcription. So. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and do what we do every day. I'm going to slap the stream in membership only mode. Not because I want to be greedy. If I could make this 1 cent, I would. But I think we have like 20 people now, 20 members. Anyone who wants to join, feel free. It's 99 cents a month. Again, not trying to be greedy. It's really not my intention. It's just a different change here in the stream live that I've implemented. 99 cents doesn't make me rich. Membership only mode changes nothing in terms of concurrent viewers too. I came to learn that. You have 2 days around 7:45 day. Which account are you trading with, Epic? You trading with a Flex account? We're almost there. Probably just going to be a break-even trade. Well, I'm pretty sure it has a 50% consistency, so you should be fine. You should be able to make, you can make 1,500 in a day. So I think you're actually just short. But there's a buffer. It's like $100 buffer. I'm pretty sure you're fine. Yeah, you should be fine. Oh wait, you make a rest of the 3K? Oh yeah. No, yeah, you should be fine. Unless the consistency rule isn't 50%, but I'm pretty sure it is. If you're at 32% consistency, then you're fine too. It's not like you have to be at 50. It's when you're over 50 that it's a problem. With somebody who loves you. Damn, man. It's been a lot harder to long than short, that's for sure. Yeah, consistency's 50% on the 50K, so yeah, you would be fine, dude. Happened again? Keep losing network. Not good.
Order filled. Order filled.
Apples. Yeah, that is indeed, man. Market's been crazy. This is the type of market we want, though, right? Don't we want the volatility? Ugh. It's been wild. S&P pretty much moves on like a 100-point range, which is insane. For the S&P, that's crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy crap, we're dumping. Oh, would have been so nice to tag that 57 too. All right. As soon as we pass the bottom, we go in long.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order filled.
We're dumping those. A little scary. That's a nice win though. It's like $60 on a. Jesus, we are falling hard, dude. Ugh. What is going on? Trump Social, what are you saying, dude? And back up we go. Oh, shoot, Pawn. You'll get it. Don't rush it. You'll get it. Dude, the longs are so much harder to win. I wonder why, because the market's weak. Part of me still wants to have that bias. But at the same time, I think there's a lot of opportunity in the 5-minute. Both ways. Jesus, dude, this market. God. This market's crazy. Look at these freaking candles moving. Yeah, the market feels pretty dumpy. This is getting crazy. Boo's down 1%. Nasdaq's down 1.5%. S&P's down 1%. Ooh, wow, we're actually going to tag into this. I'll try and get more. Screw it.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
Got in about where I wanted. 305, 306. We're adding 2 contracts here for the reversion. We're in with a little bit more size, so if we dump again really hard, could be bad. I think we're going to be okay, though. Rolling top and the imbalance is adjusting pretty quickly. And back in the money we go. All right, that should be the top now. Our top of the imbalance. I don't think it's going to adjust down anymore. Not yet. We're about to pass it right now, right here. And then I flip the other way. So close. Come on. Man, what a huge trade. 120 in profit. 3 micros. Not bad. About to pass the top, and then we'll flip back the other way. There it is. Flip back the other way. Apples. Apples, apples. Gotta say that key word. Well, look at that, guys. Realized profit is well over what we were at earlier, even through the drawdown that we've had. We are crushing. I said this from the beginning. I'll say it again. We are crushing these markets right now. You guys just saw me build into a long and one of the dumpier parts of the day. That is pretty crazy. I am loving the approach. I am loving it. Hans, you get your account? Now let's bring it all the way back down, baby. Let's get some more. We're looking for 650 today, guys. 650 in profit. And I do feel confident we'll get it. I really do. What a dump. 50-point move on the S&P is huge. Oh, okay. How is that going for you? Is that good money? We're actually pretty close to passing this eval right now. 670 in net profit on the eval. This is only day 2. Doing pretty good. Good. Hell yeah, man.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Oh. We're in short with 3 apples. This actually like feels kind of good to be short. Sized into a short. Feels a little more ideal than the other side. Let's go, man. Let's go. When we get to that bottom, the imbalance bottom, we should be in pretty good profit. Already moving in the green. Oh, son, we're dumping. There we go. This might even be it right here, guys. This might be our day. We might be able to tag the 650. We need 250 in profit. I think we could probably hit that. We are sized in pretty well for this short. Really well, actually. This is inevitably going to take... It's going to take the bottom out. The bottom's adjusting in real time. This is a rolling bottom and top of the liquidity imbalance. Adjusting in real time so I can adjust in real time to the conditions. Trading the 5-minute liquidity imbalance. Forgot to mention, we are trading the S&P 500 futures. Ticker MES. It doesn't quite want to come down yet, does it? There she blows. And we are almost through the bottom. And through it.
Order filled.
Taking profit.
Order
Going
filled.
back the other way. Kind of feel a little weird about longing. But, whatever. That was pretty good. That was solid. Apples. Kind of feels like we're going to dump. But at the same time, I got to listen to the approach, man. There's nothing that I can do. I can't trade on feelings. That's too heavy of speculation. I don't want to speculate like that. I don't want to guess. I guess it's confusing to people if I say I don't want to speculate, because everything in trading is a little speculative. So I'll just say I try to reduce speculation as much as I can by trading data, by trading with a systematic approach. We're already about to be out. Yay. Guys, I gotta hit the restroom, to be honest, man. I think it's probably best if I don't try to do anything stupid in the account. If I use the restroom and leave, I should probably close the account or close the trade. Trying to see if we can get to the top here. And then just tag in on a short, which makes the most sense. Yeah, you know what? Okay, almost there. That was a huge candle, damn. Break the top. Break the top.
Order filled. Order
All right.
filled.
Apples. Close the long for profit. Back in short with 1. I'm going to leave it at that. I got to use the restroom. I'll be back.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looky there, man. Came back just in time. Just in time to exit. Apples. Apples, apples, apples. Damn, dude, that was a really good close up there, huh? It's not bad. Holy crap, dude, we're about to be out again. Killing the reversions. I have to say that word, Umar, because editing this many trades, because we're scalping very quickly now, if I try to edit each one of these trades, I'll go insane. So I have to do transcription editing. So what I'll do is I get the editing software to generate a transcript, and by using keywords in the transcript, that's how I make my cuts in the edit. It's like the only efficient way to do it. Damn it, man, we were almost out on that. That was close. We're pretty much about to pass, guys. After 5 p.m., maybe I'll take some trades tonight and get this thing passed for tomorrow. My heart rate's gonna explode. What was it? Was it high? God dang it, dude. Get us there. Come on.
Order filled.
I'll take it.
Order filled.
All right. Apples. Are we going to get the 650 this time? I was at 625 yesterday before we blew an account after being an idiot. Giveaway incoming. No, not yet, man. Trying to get some sort of affiliation with a firm, but they don't want me yet. They don't want me. Oh, didn't even see we came down. So nice. So fresh and so clean, clean. Oh, we need 625, guys, not 650. Why do I keep doing that? So we really only need $40. I think we had 40, didn't we? Exam was good. Hell yeah, dude. I think we might be wrapping the day up, guys. Literally 2 hours into the stream, scalping on the 5-minute interval. I have amassed 600 in profit. That is crazy. I think we started the day up 140 because I took some overnight trades, but for the most part, that's going to be about 500 in profit if we can stop at the 625. 625 is what I want to get to, but this would be fine to stop at too. I don't know. Watching my signals. I don't give out signals. You can interpret the data how you want, man, but I would never condone copy trading. Be careful. Because I'm scalping. For one, there's like a 15-20 second delay. So if you intend on trying to take trades, copy trading, just know that you're pretty delayed. $25 plus 11. We need 36 bucks. 36 macaroons. I don't think I've ever ended the stream this early, to be honest. It's not every day you find yourself in the max amount of profit you can make. That is pretty crazy. $36 is what we need. According to the comment section, I'm the worst trader in the world, so I probably wouldn't want to copy trade me. Yeah, I wouldn't advise doing that, Pawan. God dang it, dude. We are choppy as hell right here.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna take it and reset. I need $20 more, so
Order filled.
we're in long. Bottom of the liquidity. Let's do it. $20. That's all we need. What did we take? 20 something. We would have taken it there. $5 more. Okay. If you want to engage in the chat, guys, you got to be a member. It is only 99 cents.
Order
I'm
filled.
taking that. We're done. 620 on the day. I can't make more than 625. I'll take it. We hit the goal, boys. 620 in profit. Whoa. All right. Said I'd do it from the beginning, and we did it. And we drew up and down. We started the day in profit 140. And we amassed all the way up to 620. That is crazy. We're pretty much making $500 just scalping the 5-minute liquidity imbalance. Today was a baller day. I think we only took a few losses. The win rate today is gotta be like crazy substantial. I'm gonna check because I'm like genuinely curious. I'm just curious on like a per trade basis. Dude, not bad. 71% win rate. 41 trades today. 29 wins, 12 losses, 71% win rate. The average winning trade was 35. The average losing trade was 45. We had so many more wins than losses that we just took the account to new heights. Largest losing trade 138 today. Largest winning trade was 90. Amazing. Really good day. I can't complain. This has been a solid trading session. I really want to see. Good thing I'm not in long. We would have made too much. I really want to see what happens when we go 1 minute rolling. I just want to see what it looks like. I'm genuinely curious. Data's going to reset. We're done on the day. We're done trading. We've made too much. If I make more than $5, we're over the 50%. So I just want to look at what it looks like to see the 1 minute data on the liquidity imbalance. I'm genuinely curious. Feels like there's hands in my clouds. You could hear me now. Trying to get this line to glow. You got me begging, baby. Damn it. So it's 4-2. How's this look, guys? Does it make me look more mysterious? Like you'd want to watch more? Create some curiosity. I'll tell you what, I don't know about the 1 minute. Looks like donkey dookie. Order's not placing because we're done, man. We're done. I can't trade anymore. I guess I could buy another account. Should I buy another account and trade some more? I could. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. My hat smells like money. I guess my head smells like money. We are trading the 1 minute rolling balance right now. This is very interesting. $50% off code? Is there a 50% off today? No. Apex, dude. Screw that prop firm. Can't stand that prop firm. They suck. I don't respect that prop firm because they took too long to change their intraday drawdown rules. Well, I can reset the other accounts. You can always reset an account for 60, so that's cool. Look at these lines. Ugh. The 1 minute even work? I don't know, I guess. I guess it could work. What's that damn sound, dude? Drive me crazy. You got me begging, baby. What account is that for, Epic? It's only 30%. 50% is something that they implemented in the vault not that long ago. flex 50. I feel like you just have a 50% discount code in your vault in Lucid. That's why. It's going to use any coupon code. But maybe not. I'll try it. Yeah, it's just 30%, it says, which is just the standard. You got me begging, baby. Yeah, I don't know about trading the 1 minute liquidity imbalance. Looks a little goofy. How's that look, though? It looks cool, I think. Double line. Looks a little strange on the live, though. It's a little strange. Not bad. I've already sold 2 points. I think the 5 minutes a pretty good mix. Rolling max is red. Rolling minimum is green. We'll do 3, 3, and then we'll do 3. Buy 50K account. I've already put too many dollars into these evals, man. I got to get a payout. Oh, we're broke. We're broke, boys. I think I'm going to get these shorts pieced up in the editor. So I'll see you guys in the short section. See you guys in the Discord. See you guys tomorrow, man. Today is a full max day win. Couldn't ask for a better day. Scalping the 5 minute liquidity and killing it. Yeah. I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Join Discord, join the community. Check out Ninja Trader if you are curious on a good platform and good chart platform. Good broker to use for futures trading, live account, prop firm account, whatever. Desktop app for Ninja Trader is one of the best for futures trading. Some of the lowest commissions in the game, too, if you are in the cash account game. Ninja Trader is what I use here for the custom script as well. That script is open source. It's public. It's in the Discord. Use it, lose with it, win with it. It's your choice. You don't have to use it, whatever. Appreciate you guys for being here. Sign up with NinjaTrader. It's free using my link. Doesn't cost you anything. And you get level 2 data for free for 2 weeks. Sign up. Helps me a ton. And I'll see y'all tomorrow morning, man. 9:30 a.m. CST, around that time. Peace out. Pawan, good night, my friend. Later. See you guys.